Hey everyone, it's your favorite science teacher. Have you ever wondered why a melting popsicle isn't the same as burning a marshmallow? Both are changes, but they're not the same kind of change. Today we're diving into the world of chemical versus physical changes. And I promise no boring science lecture. Let's start simple. A physical change is when something changes its appearance but it's still the same thing. Think of it like a makeover. New look, same substance. Melting ice, that's just water changing from solid to liquid. Tearing paper, it's still paper. Chopping up a carrot, you didn't chemically alter it, you just made salad prep easier. What's the key idea? No new substance is formed. You can usually reverse it, like freezing that melted water again. Now, chemical changes are where things get wild. This is when a completely new substance is formed with new properties. Burn a piece of wood, that's not wood anymore. It becomes ash, smoke, and gas. Bake cookies, you mix butter, sugar, eggs, and flour, but you cannot unbake it and get those ingredients back. Iron rusting, that's iron reacting with oxygen to make rust, a new substance. And chemical changes usually involve signs like color changes, heat or light being produced, gas or bubbles, or even a smell. Sometimes good, sometimes not. All right, test time. I'll say a change and you say if it's physical or chemical. 1. Boiling water. What do you think? Physical. 2. Fireworks exploding. Chemical, light, heat, and new substances. 3. Crushing a soda can. Physical. 4. Cooking an egg. You can't uncook it. Nice job. See, you are already getting it. So, why even care about this stuff? Because these changes are happening around us every single day in the kitchen, outside, even in your own body. Digestion, chemical change. Your body breaking down food into new molecules. Sweating, and then that sweat evaporating, physical change. Water turning into vapor, physical change. Understanding the difference help you understand the world. And that's what science is all about. All right, quick recap. Physical change. No new substance. Melting, cutting, breaking. Chemical change. New substance is formed. Burning, baking, rusting. So next time you microwave popcorn or melt chocolate, ask yourself what kind of change is happening here. That's how scientists think. And now, so do you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, or share it with your science crew. Stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching Creative Science.